right here next to me, appointed me his deputy. That's a demonstration of the commitment. So when we say that we will fulfill, we will continue the implementation of the Constitution, which includes the 2/3 gender rule, we have demonstrated it. When my principal says that he actually believes in 50-50, he has not just the 2/3 gender rule, but 50-50. He has already demonstrated it. So for the competition to claim that they have the commitment, where have they demonstrated it? And we have gone beyond that. If you look backwards, and I always tell this story, that when we came from Beijing in 1995, those of us who were in parliament then were bringing in motions for the implementation of the commitments in Beijing. And I remember my sister, the Honorable Charity Ngilu, Governor of Kitui, and Senator Beth Mogo bringing such motions. On my part, I proposed the Equality Act and the Domestic Violence Bill, which was later to be adopted by the government. But only one man joined us and brought a motion to set up the Gender Equality Commission. That man was none other than the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. So that is just to show that the commitment of Azimio to women's issues runs deep. It's not just about this election. It's something that we practice. And if you look even in Parliament, a majority of the elected women will be from his party. And even now, those running, there is quite a good number. So I'm saying our commitment is demonstrated. I don't want to talk about my part because I think that it goes beyond saying. Okay. So we will not only implement the 2/3 gender rule, which is the starting point, but we will go beyond it, and that commitment has already been shown.
All right. Yeah. After that question.